So the dryers are $1.50 here at Toke Village. They got a change machine. They got soap, bleach, softener dispenser. The washing machines, everything is just really, really clean. Lots of washers, couple front loads, pop machines out of order, laundry sink, nice big room, folding tables. The washing machines are $4.50 for the top loads and $4.25 for the front loads. Washers are about half hour. Not sure about the dryers yet. I'll find that out when I switch my loads over. Nice, clean campground. This morning they were painting the garbage cans, picking up garbage. Really well kept. This is the ladies' washroom. No bathing of pets in our showers or washing in the restrooms. Really nice and clean. Handicap washroom. They even have the papers for on the toilets. No pets in restroom or showers. There's a shower. Couple hooks up there. Oh, must be somebody in there. Yeah, nice and clean. There's a handicap shower with a bench. So that area there, there's some glamping tents over there. There's the main office building. It has restrooms and showers as well. That area there is also hydroelectric and sewer. And you drive around that way to the car wash. We're back in there. A lot of people have left today already. It's a big campground. There's the dump station. And it has non-potable water there for your black tank flush. There's another barbecue shelter you can see way over on the far side. And they actually have wood chips on those sides over there for tents. So you have a nice soft base for your tent. And there's cabins. They look really nice. Really well kept campground. There's the potable water there. It has a hose on it. Yeah, really nice campground. Well kept.